how excited you are for All About Music.
I'm insanely excited for All About Music.
Off the roof right now because this is my first time being here and
It's like India's biggest conference. I was waiting for this day.
First time for all of us. So we are super excited.
Really excited to meet many people out there.
Get to know more about music since I'm new to the industry, the insights that they have and the experience that they have.
This is going to be a fun experience.
connect with a lot of artists over here.
Get to know more things, how it works.
Incredible opportunity for any upcoming artists.
Any specific Connect Corner or speaking session or any workshop masterclass that you're looking forward to?
Connect corners with India's labels which are geared more towards hip hop.
Personally looking to network.
Hanuman Kaini is going to be there.
Mixing and mastering sessions, record labels.
And of course, A.R. Rahman sir is coming.
Arman Malik who is coming over here, and A.R. Rahman, I would like to meet them.
I have a few of my favorite artists coming up here, so I would like to interact with them.
I'm looking for workshops over there, immersive mixing, mastering, how to market a song.
I'm pretty sure all the sessions are interesting.
To know other people, to collaborate a lot more.
I've already packed my schedule about it.
Help me showcase my talent to other artists as well so I can connect with them better.
Shantanu with us, visual arts.
Super excited to share my music and to get to listen to a lot of the other people's music.
Hello, I got places to be.